takes something which is primal, which is fishing, which is, you know, a type of hunting, if you will, and actually adds a little bit of artistry to it and a little grace.